Create this bronzy, smoky eye look with me. I start with a soft pencil in chocolate brown. This is like a chubby stick. And I create like a very messy eyeliner and then blend it in a sideways V shape. I also pull the color on my lower lash line to emphasize a feline shape. Then take a matching eyeshadow and pat it really hard along the pencil and then blend it out to set the color. You can clean up any mistakes with a cotton bud. Then you want to define the lash line with a gel or eyeliner pen. Then take another dark shadow and you're going to blend out that liner you just made. This softens it and makes it a bit more mistake-proof. Then go in on the waterline with a black eyeliner, being sure to line the whole of the eye, top and bottom. Then I soften all the edges in 2 steps. First, with like a rose gold shadow, this really blends out all those darker edges. And finally, with a bit of extra base and powder under my eye, really blending until it's a really, really soft line. I like to add a little more black eyeliner at this point for extra depth and then really smudge it out. Now go ahead and add some light with some champagne. You can use it on the inner corners, along the brow bone, and even to blend out the bottom line. Pop some highlighter at the tops of your cheeks and then make sure to add a little bit of depth by bronzing or contouring your cheekbones. Zigzag a volumizing mascara along your top and bottom lashes. And I went ahead and added a little bit more bronzy glimmer for this look. A lovely deep nude lipstick, and voila!